friends. Now we will continue ST language in Mitsubishi PLC GX Works2. Now another important thing is in ST language is arrays. So the storing data. So sometimes we need some variable and with not one value, so with two and more values, or with index values. So you can use arrays easily and you can prove your problem easily. So what is in this manual? So array example here is products value. So we have countries, 3 countries here, country A, B, and C, and value is volume is like this is another completely volumes. So different volume behavior. If we make one small tables with index 0 is 35, so country A, and country B is index 1 and country C index 2. So this is actually this is a one index array. So how we can make one index array? So we can use easily, no problem here. So this is belong to you. So you can make your bit array, or you can make integer array. So what you need you can make, no problem here. Just I will show you one example here in globals. Example I have. What's I have here? Just want to show. Yes, this one is array. So when you make arrays, what you need to setting here, just need to make your data type, and here is array. So how many elements you have, you need to write in elements here. Just this is a simple. For example, from me, so my array is starting from M0. So from M0 to M17, this is my bit array. So here I using this array using for loop. So just I make one condition here. If my array, this array from 0 to 17, so this means array 0 to 17. If any this array is on, so I make one counter here. So or another conditions here. So this arrays. So if so this is a bit confused. After I will explain. This is outputs. I have another arrays here. Just want to show you. Yes, this is the PLC outputs. I make array. So one's Y0 to Y17. So I make array here, and I make this condition here. So from 0 to 17. So if so output, I just want to, if output is if this output or this condition and this condition, so check this. So maximum current check like this. Just I want to show you where I make this arrays, how I can on these outputs here. Yes, here. Now you can see here my output, so output 0. So this means Y0. So Y0 is on when so this condition is occurring here. So output 1 is like this. Or sometimes, for example, we need to make some output in one time to make on and off. So you no need make a condition, or you can make arrays. So here actually this is the generator project. So I have 18 electrodes. So outputs I make arrays, and all section I make array here. This is a bit one. Actually we can make also integer. So example, the current of electrodes. the current of electrode. This is a volt. So this is also 80. Example like this. So currents. Make find and will show you how I will fill this this array here. So here, actually I will read by analog input. So PV current. So this is a calibration here. I will fill in completely my arrays from the analog input. So I have 18 analog input current. So like this, but also we can make so another one sorting. I just want to show you. I have one program here. So I have sorting here. How we can make the sorting of the data in arrays. This is the example. So sorting program for the value in arrays. So I make sorting and after make another arrays. You can see here. So I will check this value. So this is my value arrays. So I will make if this is more than this one. Okay, yes. Actually, if for example I have 18 loop, so one by one we will check. So if this one is big more than another one, so this is changing value, and after like this is sorting my array here. This is with one index array. So sometimes we need two index. Example, I have arrays, but with two index. So here example is country A, B, and C. But we have so this value we have before was one index array. But inside we have sources in any country we have another 3 index here. So if you we can if you we make arrays table, you say we can make like this. So example from 0 to 3. This is our countries A and B and C. Sorry, from the first index 0, 1, and 2. This is our countries. But point 0, point 1, point 2, this is our country's value. So like this, you can make arrays and actually this is also no problem. You can use. This is the example here. You can see adding condition if you need this manual. So you can write in our Telegram. I will send you no problem.